What is ISO or ISO? ISO, simply put, is electronic brightness that you add to your image in camera. Typically, ISO ranges go from 50 or 100 all the way up to 25,600 plus. Although some cameras have high ISO ranges like that, it's usually not recommended to go that high because when you do, it starts to introduce this stuff called noise into your image. Noise refers to the discoloration of certain pixels within your image. And when you turn that ISO number real high up, you're basically adding artificial light into your image, and that makes the sensor more sensitive to light. But is there any way to increase the ISO without increasing the amount of noise in an image? Unfortunately, no, but there are ways around noise in an image. Some of these ways include buying a camera with a full frame sensor, shooting in a format called RAW, denoising in post-processing, or you could just add a light to a scene. Other than that, there's not really much you can do to decrease the noise. And that's it for today's 1-minute photo tip. If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it. And if you have any photo related questions, please comment those down below. And if you'd like to see more 1-minute photo tips just like this one, please follow or subscribe. Thanks for watching, and always remember to capture great moments.